Hey everybody, this is Jared Snyder. I am just getting ready to do my workout. I have today cardio, beast cardio and beast abs. It's one of the programs I'm doing. It's a 90-day program, so I'm in the middle. I'm in the bulk phase of the program. But anyways, I am wanting to actually throw an invite out to anybody that is looking for some health and fitness, um, inspiration, motivation, and some help with their health and fitness to get started. Um, Here in a few weeks, I will be starting my online boot camp back up, and the date is August 20th, which is a Monday, and it runs September 13th, which is another Monday. It's gonna run for 21 days, and I'm doing it the week after I get back from vacation. Me and my family are heading to Ludington State Park to do some camping for the week, and I'm gonna just take that week off probably from social media and just have fun with my family. So, but when I get back, I want to start my online fit boot camp and run these monthly. And so I'm inviting anyone that needs some help. Please comment below that you are interested in doing this boot camp. It's run in a Facebook group, private group, and yeah, it'll be fun. If you're interested, I'm not gonna go over the finer details on here, but comment below, and I will love to message you, chat with you one-on-one about the finer details of the group. So, all said, I would love for you to join me. Please share this with your friends. Give it, leave me a comment, hit like. Please subscribe to my channel. I would love for you to follow me and watch me on this journey, and maybe I can just inspire and motivate you. I'm a dad of 4 children, and getting healthy and fit with at-home workout programs that are amazing. And I would just love to talk with any parents out there that are struggling and that want to get healthy and take over your fitness and just be there for your kids and have energy. And but anyways, August 20th to September 13th, online boot camp. It'll be awesome. So please join me, and I hope that you all have a great Thursday, and we will chat with you all later. Bye.